Hello students, in this class we will see remaining exercise problems of arithmetic progression, second exercise, that is from 17th to 20th question. These are kind of application problem 8, 19th and 20. We'll see that later. Now we'll start with 17th. Find the sum of find the 20th term from the end, means from the last term of the AP. AP is given. You have to find the 20th term from the end of the AP. Remember the formula AN we use, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, is always from the beginning of the AP. Okay. So what to do to calculate the term from the end of the AP means you just reverse the AP, apply the same formula. Okay. Note it here. Consider what is the AP? 3, 8, 13, 253. Okay. Now don't hurry and jump and take A and D values from this AP, because observe the question, we need to calculate 20th term from the end. So reverse the AP now. Reversing the AP, we get 253 dash 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 13 8 3. Okay. Now A will be 253. A will be 253, the first term in the AP. Remember, you have to take the first term from the reversed AP. What will be D? D will be your A2 minus A1, right? A2 we don't have now after 253, but don't worry. D will remain constant throughout the given AP. D will remember this point. Common difference will remain constant throughout the AP. So don't just do A2 minus A1. It can be A10 minus A9, A15 minus A14, or the last one minus before that. So in this case, I'll take 3 minus 8 minus 5. Hope this is clear. This is a very important concept. Now, what to find here? Find the 20th term, right? So n is 20. Therefore, we apply the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is, we don't know, that is a20. We want a20 only. A is 253 plus n minus 1 is 20 minus 1, d is minus 5. That is 253 plus 19 5 is a 45. Sorry, 19 5 is a 95. 19 5 is a 95 into minus 95. 19 into minus 5 it is actually 19 plus a 95 minus symbol. Okay. Now, if you subtract 295 from 253, how much you get? It is 158. 158. That's it. Therefore, just conclude. Therefore, 20th term from the last term or from the end of the AP is 158. Understood? Only thing is you have to reverse the AP. You will get A quickly, but A2 you will not see. You go to the end of the reversed AP, subtract the subsequent numbers, you get the difference, common difference. Apply that and find the required term. Okay. We'll move to the next term. Next question, 18th one. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of AP is 24. Please read the question properly. Sum of 4th and 8th term of AP means sum of 4th term means A4 plus A8 is given as 24. Okay. Then sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Before we go to that part, we just simplify this here itself. This part A4 means A plus 3D, A8 means A plus 7D. that is 24. You add these two like terms 2a, 3d plus 7d becomes 10d. Okay, 10d equal to 24. Try to simplify that because it will make our job easy later. So how 2 is common in this? A plus 5d equal to 24. 2 1 ja, 2 12 ja. Therefore, a plus 5d equal to 12. Coming to the second part of the question. Sum of the sixth and tenth term is 44. Similar ways you write that a6 plus a10 is equal to 44. Similarly, a plus 60 means a plus 5d. A10 means a plus 9d equal to 44. Add the like terms, a plus a becomes 2a. 5d plus 9d becomes 14d equal to 44. Similarly, take out 2 common, a plus 7d equal to 44. 2 1 ja, 2 22 ja. Therefore, a plus 7d equal to 22. So we call these two as 1 and 2. Solve these two equations using solving two variable knowledge here. That is, we'll do 1 minus 2. What comes means a plus 5d equal to 12. Then a plus 7d equal to 22. Okay. A plus 7d. Then, since we're subtracting these two, right? You have to change the signs of the second statement. A gets cancelled. 5d minus 7d becomes minus 2d. 12 minus 22 becomes minus 10. Minus minus cancels. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. D equal to 5. I hope you know this elimination method of solving two variable equations. If not, please visit my page where I exclusively explain the solving linear equations in two variables by elimination and substitution method. So we got D here 5. Substitute this in 1 or 2, whichever you are comfortable. Therefore, I'll say from 1 we get a plus 5 of 5 equal to 12. Then a equal to 12 minus 25, a equal to minus 13. Okay, D is 5 there. Now, they are asked to find the first three terms of the AP. What are the first three terms? A1, A2, A3. Out of those three, A1 we got already, which is nothing but A. We have to find A2. A2 is equal to A plus D. A is was minus 13 plus 5 minus 8 is the answer. A3 equal to A plus 2D. A is minus 13 plus 2 of 5 is 10. 30 minus 13 plus 10 is minus 3. Okay. Therefore, we say required first three terms of AP or just write beside required first three terms of AP are minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. Only first three terms they asked. I hope it is simple. Only thing is you have to write and so you should know how to solve the linear equation in two variables. We'll move to the next question, 19th. Though it looks application problem, it's very similar. I mean simple also. Just check out. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 rupees. Means annually he was getting 5,000 rupees and received an increment of 200 per year every year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? Means when he started at 1995, his salary was 5,000. By which year he will reach 7,000? That is a question. You can manually also do some additions you have to do. Instead of that, using the AP, we can calculate it. Okay. We'll just write what is given from the question. See, his first salary equal to rupees 19 is his his annual salary, right? Yeah, his annual salary rupees 5,000. Increment is what? 2,000 rupees per year. Increment per year is rupees 200. Okay, clear? Now we can construct AP with this. What is the first term? 5,000. What's the second term means? First term plus D. Common difference gives you second term, that is 5,200. Next is 5,400. Add D to every term to get the next terms. Okay. So 5,400 dash 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 dash. What is the last salary he drawn? I mean, they want 7,000 rupees when he will get in which year, right? So that we have to put AN. So here A is 5,000. D we know that already because we constructed AP. So D is 5,200 minus 5,000, that is 200. Then let AN is equal to how much amount he wanted? 7,000. In which year he'll get? Just put the formula and substitute. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 7,000. A is 5,000 plus N minus 1 into 200. When you transpose 5,000 to left side, it becomes minus 5,000. So 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000 equal to N minus 1 into 200. Since these are in factors, we can cancel here only, or we can say N minus 1 is equal to, I'll write otherwise, N minus 1 is equal to 2,000 by 200. Okay. Then you simplify that. 200 0 0 will go, 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja. Okay. N is how much? 10 plus 1, 11. Therefore, 11th year his salary will be 11th year his salary will be 7,000 rupees. Understood? Please check out this. It's very simple only. By the given values only we'll construct that. His income will be in this 11th year. Means 1995 to 11 year if you add, his salary will become annual salary 7,000. Which year means 11th year. Okay. We'll move to the next question. The last in the exercise, that is 20th one, kind of similar to 19th itself here. Ramkali saved rupees 5 first week of a year, then increased her weekly savings by 1.75. Means 5 rupees in the first week, next week 5 rupees plus is saving, that is 1.75 rupee. That is total in the second week it will become 6.75. Like that you add 1.75 to every saving to get the next saving. Or weekly saving, when it will become 20.75 rupees. It's a similar to 19th one. Okay, we'll write given here. Our first salary is sorry, our first savings. Our first saving is rupees 5. Then she increased her weekly savings by, okay, means she increased it weekly by rupees 1.75. Therefore, what will be the AP here? First is 5, 6.75, 7, 8.5, dash dash dash. Okay. What is the amount she want? 20.75. Just check out if get 6.75 plus 1.75 is 7575, one and a half, one and a half, two and a half, two and a half plus 6, 8.5. Correct. So from this you extract A, D and AN we have. Calculate N here. Very simple. A is 5. D is 6.75 minus 5. 6.75 minus 5, that is 1.75. And AN is 20.75. Write the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 20.75. A is 5 plus N we don't know. D is 1.75. Only precaution is if they are decimal numbers, thoroughly you solve it. So 20, if I subtract from 20.75, it will become 15.75 equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. Therefore, N minus 1 is equal to 15.75 by 1.75. Don't break your head cancelling the decimal numbers. You can cancel the decimal dot itself if numerator and denominator are having equal number of digits after the dot. In this case, yes, we do have 2 digits. So, you can directly cancel the dots. So, how much it becomes? 15.75 by, sorry, 1575 by 175. Dot cancels. 1575 by 175. You can use 25 also, or you can use 5 table also. Okay, you can just check out here. I'll say 5 3s are 5 5s are 5 3s are 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 7s are 5 6 are 30, one remaining 3, 15, 5 3s are 15, 7 1s are 7, 9s are, that is 9. Therefore, n becomes how much? 9 plus 1 is 10. So when is 10 is 10, what they asked, if in the nth week her saving become 20.75 means, therefore justify it in nth week her saving becomes rupees 20.75.